Homemade spicy shrimp Thai fried rice recipe, delicious and easy. Everyone, welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're making homemade spicy shrimp Thai fried rice. This dish is bursting with flavors and is incredibly easy to whip up at home. So, let's dive right into the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of cooked jasmine rice, preferably cooled, 250 grams of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, and corn work great, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 eggs, beaten, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce, adjust for your spice preference, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, green onions and cilantro for garnish, lime wedges for serving. These ingredients will give our Thai fried rice that perfect balance of spice and savory goodness. Preparation: let's start by heating our wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the surface. Next, add the minced garlic and sauté it until it becomes fragrant. Then, toss in the shrimp and cook until they turn pink and opaque. Push the shrimp to the side, add a bit more oil if needed, and pour in the beaten eggs. Scramble the eggs until they're just set. Now, add the mixed vegetables to the wok and stir-fry for a couple of minutes until they're tender crisp. Add the cooked jasmine rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps. Pour the soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and Sriracha over the rice. Mix everything together until the rice is well coated and has a beautiful, even color. Let it cook for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the rice to absorb all those delicious flavors. Finally, garnish your spicy shrimp Thai fried rice with chopped green onions and cilantro. Serve it hot with lime wedges on the side for that extra burst of freshness. There you have it, our homemade spicy shrimp Thai fried rice. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Here are some benefits of the spicy shrimp Thai fried rice recipe. Rich in protein, the shrimp in this recipe is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. Nutrient-packed vegetables, the mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and corn, contribute a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and well-being. Balanced carbohydrates. Jasmine rice provides a good source of complex carbohydrates, offering sustained energy release, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying and filling meal. Heart-healthy ingredients. The inclusion of garlic and various sauces, such as soy sauce and fish sauce, may have cardiovascular benefits, supporting heart health. Customizable spice level. The addition of Sriracha sauce allows for customization of spice levels according to personal preference. Capsaicin, found in spicy foods, has been linked to potential health benefits, including metabolism support and pain relief. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel for more tasty recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much, homemade spicy shrimp Thai fried rice lovers.